Aerodynamics, engineered for both safety and fuel efficiency. Water management systems, designed to serve a growing population while also requiring minimal energy. An automobile engine, designed for both power and strict emission standards. How are today's engineers balancing these opposing design challenges? They rely on the most powerful simulation software in the world. They turn to the most advanced CFD solutions on the market. They trust ANSYS to realize their product promise. They know ANSYS CFD software is both fast and reliable, because compromise is not an option. They understand ANSYS CFD can adapt to their unique and specialized applications, because every promise is unique. They rely on ANSYS engineers for unmatched support and expertise, because the cost of getting it wrong is simply too high. They are integrating a full range of physics to gain insight into the most complex problems, because the parts of every product and the engineers that design them work better as a team. They use ANSYS CFD software to do more than solve design challenges. They are reinventing product design altogether, because their imagination has no limits. With over 40,000 customers worldwide, ANSYS is the most trusted engineering partner in CFD, because a promise is a promise.